A New Jersey man is in trouble this week after allegedly coughing on a woman and telling her that he was infected with the coronavirus. According to NJ.com, 50-year-old George Falcone was at the prepared food section of a Wegmans Grocers on Sunday night when a female staff member asked him to take a few steps back. Prosecutors say Falcone then stepped close to the woman and began coughing and laughing. He then allegedly told her he had the coronavirus. NJ.com reports that Falcone then told two other workers that they were lucky to be employed. But he told Reuters via Facebook message that he didn't cough or say that he had the coronavirus. He's been charged with making terroristic threats, obstruction, and harassment.
If you want more Tomo in your life, click the subscribe and bell button so you get notified when a new video is up. Thanks for watching Tomo News.